Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. आज ये vocabulary मैंने IELTS की जो writing के लिए है ना उसके लिए मैंने collected from different sources. 10 words हैं 10 words हैं जो कि simple words और फिर मैंने यहाँ पे उसकी impressive मतलब जो professional words है उसमें मैंने change किया हुआ अगर आप राइटिंग में यूज़ करते हैं अमेजिंग तो अमेजिंग की जगह आप क्या यूज़ करें इनक्रेडिबल फैंटास्टिक fabulous astonishing or extraordinary when you talk about answer you just need to use instead of answer use respond awful something which is very awful means terrible ये word थोड़ा सा difficult to pronounce it is pronounced as abominable, abominable, or dreadful. These are the 3 words used for awful. For bad, you can use evil, spoiled, imperfect, infamous, or dismal. Okay, replace bad with these words. Replace beautiful with gorgeous, ravishing, dazzling, exquisite, or stunning. Okay, instead of writing beautiful, write gorgeous. Okay, and the rest of the words. If you talk about begin, better to use initiate, commence, inaugurate, inaugurate, and big, you can replace it with huge. Instead of saying it's a big achievement, you can say it's enormous, gigantic, or you can say substantial. The next word is brick. Instead of using brick, preferably use rupture, fracture, or shatter. The British don't pronounce R at the end of the word, so it's not shatter, it's shatter, the schwa sound. The next word is calm. So instead of using calm, use serene, peace, tranquility. You must have heard it. Instead of using come, use approach, arrive. So words you have to use like this in order to make your writing more impressive by using these impressive words. Try to avoid oversimplistic words in your writing IELTS task 1 and task 2. Come up with some professional and impressive words, and that will improve your band score in writing task 1 and task 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, colleagues, and family and relatives. Thank you very much for watching.